So after a long day of surfing Big Sur, I am getting hungry. Nothing left to do now but cook something up. Let's start by slicing up some onions, get a nice hot pan. And one thing I like to do is I'll cut some slits down the side of the sausage. It'll help it caramelize. Notice a lot of people like to stir. Don't stir it. You don't have to stir it, just let it get color. We're looking for color. Well, the best part of a dish like this is the deglazing. One for the chef, one for the pan. Now you can get in there and scrape all those tasty little biddles off the bottom. Add some fresh herbs, salt, pepper, a little bit of beef broth, and you're set. Oh, and when you eat this, do not forget to dip it in that juice. Oof. Simple dishes like this, that's what food's all about.